Welcome back to our channel, Elevate Equities. Starting a small business can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging and overwhelming. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to grow your existing business, there are many factors to consider. In this video, we'll provide you with some tips and advice to help you start and run a successful small business. So, let's dive right in and learn the tips for starting and running a successful business. Number 1, develop a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap that outlines the goals, strategies, and financial projections of your business. It's an essential tool for starting and running a successful small business. Here are some tips for developing a business plan. Define your business goals and objectives. Research your target market and competition. Develop a marketing and sales strategy. Identify your startup costs and funding sources. Create financial projections and a budget. By developing a comprehensive business plan, you'll have a clear understanding of your business's purpose, target audience, and financial requirements. Number 2, choose the right legal structure. Choosing the right legal structure for your business is important for protecting your personal assets and managing your tax obligations. Here are some common legal structures for small businesses. Sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, corporation. Each legal structure has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to research and consult with a lawyer or accountant to determine the best option for your business. Number 3, manage your finances. Managing your finances is critical for the success of your business. Here are some tips for managing your finances effectively. Keep accurate financial records. Separate your personal and business finances. Monitor your cash flow. Create a budget and stick to it. Find ways to save money. By keeping accurate financial records, separating your personal and business finances, and creating a budget, you can ensure that your business stays financially healthy. Number 4, build your team. Building a strong and effective team is essential for the success of your business. Here are some tips for building a winning team. Hire employees with the right skills and experience. Foster a positive company culture. Provide training and development opportunities. Communicate effectively with your team. Recognize and reward your employees. By building a strong and supportive team, you can improve productivity, employee morale, and customer satisfaction. Number 5, stay relevant. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, it's important to stay relevant and adapt to new trends and technologies. Here are some tips for staying relevant. Stay up to date on industry trends. Listen to customer feedback. Continuously improve your products or services. Adapt to changes in the market. Stay organized and stay on top of tasks. Staying up to date on industry trends helps you identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Listen to customer feedback to understand their needs and improve your products or services. Continuously improving your offerings helps you stay relevant and meet the changing needs of your customers. Adapt to changes in the market to stay competitive and stay organized to stay on top of tasks. Number 6, overcoming challenges. Running a small business can be challenging, and you're likely to face a few roadblocks along the way. Here are some tips to help you overcome common challenges. Stay focused on your goals. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Stay positive and persistent. Keep a work-life balance. Number 7, marketing your business. Marketing is essential for attracting new customers and growing your business. Here are some tips for marketing your business effectively. Identify your target audience. Develop a unique value proposition. Use social media to promote your business. Attend networking events and trade shows. Measure your marketing results and adjust your strategy accordingly. By identifying your target audience, developing a unique value proposition, and using social media to promote your business, you can increase brand awareness and attract new customers. Attending networking events and trade shows can help you connect with potential customers and partners in your industry. Measuring your marketing results and adjusting your strategy accordingly can help you maximize the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Number 8, embrace technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in the success of small businesses. Here are some tips for embracing technology. Use software to streamline your operations. Utilize online tools for collaboration and communication. Invest in a responsive website and mobile app. Use data analytics to make informed decisions. Leverage social media to engage with customers. By using software to streamline your operations, utilizing online tools for collaboration and communication, investing in a responsive website and mobile app, using data analytics to make informed decisions, and leveraging social media to engage with customers, you can improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Number 9. Prioritize customer service. Providing excellent customer service is critical for the success of any small business. Here are some tips for prioritizing customer service. Train your employees to deliver excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints. Personalize your interactions with customers. Offer promotions and rewards to loyal customers. Use customer feedback to improve your products or services. By training your employees to deliver excellent customer service, responding promptly to customer inquiries and complaints, personalizing your interactions with customers, offering promotions and rewards to loyal customers, and using customer feedback to improve your products or services, you can build a loyal customer base and increase customer satisfaction. Number 10. Stay legal and compliant. Staying legal and compliant is essential for avoiding legal issues and maintaining the integrity of your business. Here are some tips for staying legal and compliant. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Comply with labor laws and regulations. Protect your intellectual property. Stay up to date on tax laws and regulations. Maintain accurate and thorough records. By obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, complying with labor laws and regulations, protecting your intellectual property, staying up to date on tax laws and regulations, and maintaining accurate and thorough records, you can avoid legal issues and ensure the long-term success of your business. Starting and running a successful small business takes time, effort, and dedication. Remember to stay focused on your goals, learn from your mistakes, and seek help when needed. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in guiding you on your journey to starting and running a successful small business. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.